Today, we are going to share a method on how to get a text fast. I mean, you've been waiting for that text message and it hasn't happened yet. It's about to happen. Hi there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Always reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon because we have a new empowering video based on the mind sciences, ancient mystery traditions, and of course, the law of attraction, all designed to help empower your life, to take your life to the next level. Okay, so today we're talking about how to get a text message fast. And we've done several videos on this. This method is powerful. I mean, it's powerful beyond belief, and it's so simple to do. So high flyers, waiting on a text message from someone for a day, a week, a month, several months, it can be almost debilitating. Yet so many of you have been to our other videos and you've given us positive reviews. We have over 3, 4, 5, 6,000 positive reviews from people that have gotten a text message from somebody that they wanted a text message from. So there's some principles here at play, and I want to share them with you. When you desire a text message from someone, it's very important that you allow the energy to flow. Because one of the things that people do is they choke the energy. Have you ever gotten a check in the mail you didn't expect? Have you ever found a $10 bill on the ground that you didn't expect? Have you ever gotten a text message you didn't expect? We all have. And it's because it happened organically and it happened naturally. And it can happen to you the same way. It will happen to you. But you have to allow the energy to kind of matriculate and flow at its own pace. And every energy, every thought form has its own speed. Some are slower, some are faster, but they all manifest eventually. So being relaxed about it, it's kind of like, yes, I'm relaxed. And we allow the energy to flow. When you choke the energy, when you're squeezing onto that phone and when you're checking it every few minutes here, nothing's happened yet, and you're scrolling, nothing's happened yet. You're choking the energy. You're kind of like wringing a wet towel. You know, when you wring a wet towel, you're wringing it so tight that even the water can't flow through that towel anymore. Okay, so you have to relax the towel and let the water flow through the towel and be useful to you in whatever way you're going to use that water. But you got the idea. You don't want to squeeze it and choke it. And you do that by checking every few minutes and wondering, when is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? How is it going to happen? You know, does he still have my phone number? Does she still know how to get a hold of me? And those are the kind of questions that you don't even want to answer or ask. You don't need answers. You don't need to ask the question. And the reason is that it's all a form of choking the energy. So let's just let it go. Simply depend on it. Simply know that you're going to put out an intention. And I'm going to give you a very specific way of putting out an intention that you probably won't find anywhere else. This is a unique way of putting out an intention. And once you put out the intention, that's it for the entire day. You let it go. Go about your day. Go about your life. Breathe. Relax. Let the energy flow. So high flyers, what we oftentimes say is just let it go. Just let it go. and let it flow. It's amazing if you will let it go. Do this exercise once a day and then let it go and let it flow. And if once a day keeps you fixated on receiving the text message or the email or the phone call, if even that's too much, maybe do it once every 3 days or once a week. But do it once, let it happen, let it go, let it flow. Okay, so this is an incantation. An incantation is different from an affirmation. An affirmation is a command we make with our conscious mind, and we make it a number of times. We affirm something a number of times, and it matriculates into the subconscious mind. An incantation, high flyers, is a statement we make directly to the subconscious mind. Now, your subconscious mind is like a massive antenna, and it has the ability to plug into the universe, to the infinite field of potential. And the universe literally becomes your broadcasting station, and you are broadcasting everywhere at the same time throughout what we would simply call the mental matrix. So somebody might ask me, they would say, Robert, how do I know she's receiving this message? You don't have to know. That's not your job. All you have to do is send the message out, and then what? What? Do you remember? Let it go and let it flow. Can you do that? Can you let it go and just let it happen? Trust it. Trust the process. Okay, so here's the method. Okay, you can do this sitting down. You can do this lying down in your bed. You can do this standing up, whatever is most comfortable for you. So you just simply close your eyes. And I want you to breathe deep in through your nose. Hold it for 4 seconds. Out through the mouth. And we're going to do this 2 or 3 more times. So you're just going to breathe deep, hold it, and let it out through the mouth. And as you are breathing deep, you're going to relax. Relax your muscles. Relax your mind. Have no expectation whatsoever. Just feel comfortable, relaxed, at peace. It's a wonderful feeling. Now you will say these words. I command my subconscious mind to send a powerful impulse to whatever name you want to put there. Text me. I command my subconscious mind to send a powerful impulse to David, to Leslie, to Jim, whoever it is, to text me. That's it. You are not talking to your conscious mind. You're talking to your subconscious mind. I command my subconscious mind to send a powerful impulse, a powerful vibration, if you want to use the word vibration, to fill in the blank, text me. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. And then take a deep breath, open your eyes, and go about your day. And please, please, don't look at your phone first thing after you come out of your meditation. Okay? That's choking the energy. If you have your phone on, you put it in your pocket, you'll know when you get that text message. It'll happen in its own time, in its own speed. Let it happen. This is a very simple incantation to the subconscious mind. It gets the subconscious mind working with the infinite field of potential. And for some people, it might take a day or 2. For others, it might take a week or longer. But hey, relax. It's happening. So there you go. That's an easy way to get somebody to text you fast using the power of your subconscious mind. So let me review for you real quickly. Step number 1, relax your body. Breathe deep. Step number 2, do the specialized incantation I gave you. And step number 3, let it go and let it flow. Okay, you have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.